Hi friends, I'm at the International Orchid Show in Santa Barbara today, and I'm so excited, and I'm becoming so inspired by so many beautiful designs here using the gorgeous orchids, all species. And I want to share with you some design ideas using cut orchids and other florals. And one of my favorites is behind me right here in the corner. I'm going to get a little bit closer, and then I'm going to explain to you how simple the process is, well, kind of, to design something like this. Let me turn the camera around, if possible. Well, maybe I can't. Okay, so what you have here is this beautiful tall cylinder vase with some Spathiphylum, beautiful flowers filling in the vase. And then on the top, it is crowned by a beautiful, glorious arrangement with the Spathiphylum, the orchids, and other foliage plants. Now, the way they do this is, first of all, they are anchoring the Spathiphylum that's growing here upright, not growing, but standing, because there's a lot of, I think they're using glass and water down here, keep it in place. And then, I'm going to see if I can get my camera up here. Do you see how there is a plate? There is a platter up there, and then there's some oasis foam. And then that is tied and secured to the platter. And so this is almost like a pedestal for it. And then they make the arrangement, which you see right there. And that is how they make this almost like a tower, two-tier design. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty amazing. Still that look? And let's give some credit to the designer. Her name is Sandy Maroto. And I'm impressed, Sandy. Great job.